Dilo. Dilo. Mahaba ba yung speech niya? Mahaba.
Hindi, ewan ko.
Magaling magsalita. Dilo Rosan.
Sama mo.
Kasi hindi pa marunong.
His Excellency Joselito A. Chimeno, Ambassador of the Philippines in the Sultanate of Oman, Third Secretary, Vice Consul, and member of the PSBOE, Honorable Jose L. Garcia III. The Board of Trustees, headed by Dr. Reliza Manila S. Sinayo.
Saan ng lead mo?
PDA officers, headed by Mr. Edsel Brigas. Acting Principal, Mr. Reportis, administrators, family members, guests, family and friends, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen. A pleasant evening to all of you. We are steps away from fulfilling our dreams and aspirations. This event indicates that we have successfully hurdled over trials during the years of our youth, after much searching for enlightenment of what lies ahead of us. Today is indeed a very special day to formally declare the fact that we are high school graduates who are proven to be tough enough to embark on another stage of academic life. I'm indeed very thankful to people who have contributed a lot to my development towards becoming a high school graduate and for achieving the highest honors. It's a great opportunity that after every challenge, we all have overcome together. And I want to share this achievement to all of you. I honestly have never expected that God would be so faithful enough to hand me this great blessing. So I am giving back the honor to Him. With my weaknesses and failed frame, and that without the strength and wisdom He blessed me with, this honor may have been far-fetched. To my ever-supportive parents and sisters, I want also to share this honor with you. Mom and Dad, I love you. This is not a word you constantly hear from me, but I just want you to know that I always wanted to tell you that. But I'm sorry if I can't imitate Rachel's endearment in saying I love you before we leave for school. But I've always wanted to. I just hate the awkwardness that follows. Mom, Dad, I'm sorry for always asking for a reward after getting the highest honors. I know at times I was a burden to your pockets, but actually I'm not. You have never given me that very phone. But my desire to get that very phone and pressure up to the desire of having them listen to my inspirational talk. I really can't be here now standing on stage, delivering a speech if it weren't for the inspiration and motivation you have given me. You might not be motivating me to study with material things as a reward, but your comforting words are much better than material things, and I mean it. Sisters, Ate Lance, Ate Jet, and Rachel, I know you're so proud of me too. You might be telling the ones beside you, hey, that's my sister. But anyway, thank you for living up to the requirements of being lovely and supportive sisters. I love you all. On the other hand, I would like to take this moment to express my gratitude to all our teachers who have instilled knowledge and who have patiently understood us with our immaturities, selfishness, and sometimes our lack of appreciation to all the efforts and sacrifices you wielded for us to become a better person. On behalf of my classmates, we apologize for all the heartaches and insensitivities we made. This may be our final year in PS, but we hope that we can still make up with our shortcomings by seeing us succeed and be a better person in the future, in thoughts, in words, and in deeds. Thank you for the challenges and for pushing us too hard to surpass mediocrity so we can have an edge at college. We salute you for the inspiration, the guidance, and and the selfless love that you share us. To Philippine School, thank you for being our second home. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to celebrate victories in every contest and activities we participated in. Thank you also for the sympathy when we experience defeat. Thank you for strongly upholding your academic ideals so that we, your products, be prepared in our next academic journey. Thank you for not giving up in those times that stakeholders try to challenge your credibility. To our fellow graduates in grade 6, congratulations. Life in high school, according to my experience over the past few years, is hard to go through. There will be times in your high school years when you want to surrender so you won't have to attend to any schoolwork and projects at a constrained period of time. But think of the future ahead of you. You have no idea how risky it will be to suddenly give up after all the hard work you have experienced throughout your elementary days. There are many great opportunities that await you, and one sudden change of your decision could close those many doors waiting to be opened up by you. Study with your mind and heart. Focus towards fulfilling your goals, and let your sufferings shape your character as an individual. Instead of regretting from the mistakes you have committed, learn to stand up and vow not to turn back from those faults you have committed. And lastly, to my batchmates, allow me to thank you for the fun-filled years we have shared. We will look back with a smile in our face in the 4 years in Philippine School of Oman. We will say the words, "This was a place where we spent happy moments together." Likewise, this institution is the place where our cherished memories were made, where many of our firsts happened, probably our first love. Because of this, PSO has become the place we will keep coming back to. Together, we have fought against battles that earned us a victorious title as graduates of the high school department. Through thick and thin, we have all together rejoiced and mourned for the ups and downs that have come across our paths. I thank you for every encouragement you have given me on the way to searching for success. I believe that each and every one of you possess characteristics that suits well to the course you have chosen to take to the next level. College life is not as easy as some of you imagine it to be. The education that we have acquired over the years of our youth could mold our skills and capabilities to ignite the torch of our success. In order to furthermore excel as an individual, learn to create excellent habits. You may have been declared as a good and knowledgeable student once, but that does not make you an excellent marksman already. Don't let sufferings and problems discourage you from pursuing your dreams, but let the resources of perseverance and hope that the messy road you have left can still be cleaned up by how you spend the rest of the days of your life. According to Mr. Edsel Vegas, the 4 or more years that we shall be spending in college will be the basis of our progress for the rest of our lives. To all the students here at PSO, I've been incredibly blessed to have had the pleasure of meeting and getting to know all. Remember, every one of you is a unique, unrepeatable miracle of God. Don't try to be anyone else but you, because it's way more fun than you. So, in conclusion, you might be broken, ashamed, feel totally unworthy, or maybe just feel like you could never measure up to the talents and characteristics of others. But listen, if you are a child of God, you are a child of the Creator of the universe. To end, let me remind you of the quote posted in our classroom. Take pride in how far you have come. Have faith in how far you can go. Thank you, and congratulations to all the efforts.
Thank you very much, Monica. At this point, we introduce our guest speaker, thankful on Ernest Francis G. Enriquez, the high school class sound authority.